From Portman, I'm going to give you.
Oh,
one.
Yeah, and that one. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? Me and Shami. It's a Sunday. We're going to the supermarket though, cause you know,
She wants some stuff.
yeah, I wanna get some stuff. So, but I stop at Starbucks first. I get my refresher. Plus, Shami, I pop Starbucks. So I have to check it out. I have to check it out. And in here is empty. This frozen pineapple. You want one? Dragon High, good day. You guys got the frozen pineapple passion fruit lemonade? Yeah. Let me get a grande for that, and then let me get a dragon drink.
What can be added to that to make it taste like
Lemonade. Yeah, no, not. Thank you. Guys, this is the iceberry matcha latte, but I'm not so big fan of matcha. You can't get that away with it. I love matcha, so I don't know. You can't get that away with it at all. Yeah, after this I go to the supermarket and then I go back home. I'm gonna have some editing for do. Today I'm just like chilling. And Shami is a busy girl. She got stuff to do, so she can't be like available like that today. But after tomorrow, she's a free girly, right? You shouldn't want to show her braces. Shami got braces. If you're not keeping up, what are you doing?
I am going through a very weird phase in the process, and I just don't feel like I want you guys to see.
Stop it. Show them.
The top row. When the top row,
She got no gap anymore. She got gaps on the side now because I'm at the power chain. I'm a power chain to teeth them. Show them the smile. Show them. They know what you were before. So now she got like 2 gaps there, but them all lock that up because I'm have to do it in a stages. So, yeah, everybody that was being beaten, she never do it for nobody. She did it for herself.
if I was to do it for somebody, I do it from high school when like,
yeah, you can't make people break it. You know, people are so bitter, like literally. So. Oh, then put it in another cup there. That means for them I get my own. Should I just go back? This not look like it. Something else to drizzle in you. Like raspberry. I don't know. Excuse me, this is how it looks. The girl had a lot of attitude. I just try ask because it don't look nothing like the drink.
yeah.
Some people, oh my gosh, this I just ice. It's literally like a box juice blended. I feel like we bring this back, you know. It not taste good. Yeah. I got my next Starbucks. This is not it. That never did taste right. It never tastes right. Honestly,
the girl had an attitude.
she had an extreme attitude, and I was being so like normal about it.
But I like recommend things to people now because I came here and the girls were really nice that were there today, and them make the drink good and things. I say, you know, I like this one.
Yeah.
make she come. And I think the girl just genuinely don't like Swan because even when she made it, give it to her, she was like, Swan I try to say, it not look like she walk where she not like.
Yeah, she not listen to me.
And she was it back and she's like, what?
Yeah, she was to me. She looked to me and was like, what? I'm like
if you have a problem towards somebody at work, you there,
and that's so, you know, that is fine, but yeah, it's just the professionalism. Like, it's fine to not like somebody or don't want to deal with somebody. I don't know, but it's something I don't know if I understand, like, because the drink, it look like it have some raspberry, like it have a swish of red in there. But apart from that, Mr. Alright, let me just taste it because everything is yellow as you guys saw. Let me just taste it. And I see it tastes like, you know, the pineapple box juice. Pineapple box juice when it's frozen and it had done and just ice. That's what it tastes like. Like one fresh. You know, fresh box juice? Yeah. And I'm like, honestly, I feel like I just throw money. I'm going to go around our next Starbucks. So I used to go and just get something else. Because I just never feel comfortable even getting something else from here. Honestly, I'm gonna go with, I feel like the calmest attitude. I'm not going nowhere. I mean, it's just a drink. Yeah, it tastes right, so you know, give me one refund. She's like giving the worst attitude. She'll like throw down the keep on the counter. I'm like, anyways, that's not the vibe we're on. Guys, this portion of today's vlog is sponsored by Icegiant. This is a jewelry and watch company. I'm really so truly happy that I could show you guys these pieces because I feel like they're high-end but still affordable. Each piece that I'm going to show you guys, it consists of moissanite stones. And if you know about moissanite stones, you know those are pretty like high-end. They're the closest things to like diamond. And so I do have a tester where I'll test each and every piece for you guys to see that, you know, the quality is actually there. So yeah, and I do have a discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in getting these pieces or anything else off the side that the code applies to, then you could go ahead and use my code, which is Petite, and it gets you 20% off. The pieces that it doesn't apply to currently are custom pieces, solid gold pieces, and sale pieces, okay? But everything else you can go ahead and use my code to get 20% off. Okay, Icegiant also ships worldwide, so that's a plus. So excited. Let's go ahead and just jump right into what I got. This is the first piece that I have, guys. This is the 925 sterling silver moissanite heart-shaped halo earrings. As you can see, I have a pair. These are so pretty. So if you guys know anything about moissanite, let me just help you guys to understand what that is exactly. It's like one of the closest things to actual diamond. You know, that's what I said. They provide affordable high-end jewelry. So this retails for $109 US. All right, and as I said, they have free shipping worldwide. So I think that's a great thing, and I love it. I really love it. It's not too big, it's not too much, it's like really cute. Look at that. I also have a tester to show how true to the substance each piece is. This is the diamond selector. All right, okay, so for the second piece that I got today, I got this gorgeous bracelet. Like, it's so beautiful. So this is their moissanite 4-leaf clover bracelet. This retails for $209 USD, and this very much looks like an inspiration to the Van Cleef bracelet. Like, yeah, but this is way more affordable. So as I say, if you want a more affordable option, I'm just putting it on the back of my hand so you guys can have a better look on it of what it looks like. That is too cute. Too cute. $209, pretty affordable for the quality that you're receiving. It's 925 sterling silver on the outside. It's a gold finish on the outside, as you can see, and the stone type is moissanite stones that you're seeing on the inside. So this is the final piece that I got, and this is the watch. I was so happy to get one of the watches. I love a good watch, guys. So let's see. So this is the stainless steel moissanite watch. Guys, this retails for $119 US. I got it in the blue green with the blue green face. It's so pretty to me, and the brand name is literally written on the face here. And it's just sleek and like really cute. As I said, it's engraved with the moissanite stones around the face, and it's a stainless steel band. It's pretty affordable, I can't lie. For the quality that they're offering, $119 I think is a good price. It's definitely blingy. It's really cute, and I don't have, you know, I feel like having a nice silver watch in your collection is always like just like top tier. That's literally it. I'm loving my new jewelry. Like, I already wore this on and it was so nice. It tied in so nice with my outfit. And then this bracelet is really cute. As I said, I feel like this is just, you know, one of them dainty bracelets that you just drop on when you just want to get a little, you know, cute look that you decide if you want to. I personally wear this every day. And then the earring, it's not doing too much either. It's cute, you know, you could literally pair it with almost anything. And it gives a vibe, and it's long lasting. So that's what I love. You guys saw it. I tested each piece with the tester that I got, and it's giving. You know, it's 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. As I say, 20% off. And I told you guys the pieces that the code doesn't apply to. So yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put the site down below in my description box, as well as the link to each piece that I'm rocking, because everything looks so good. And I feel like it's a nice little touch, you know. I don't know, if you're a jewelry girl, yeah, you should definitely check it out. It is a vibe. Shout out to Icegiant for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. And now I got through that, let me go ahead and just jump into the rest of the vlog. Let's go. Oh yeah, no, this is one of the smaller cameras. Yeah, point and shoot. Yeah. Gonna get a bunch of something else, mister. Just a few stuff. Then they are market today. Let's see, taking control in the supermarket. Ooh, they might play upon Sunday, man. Alright guys, so again. Nah, it really
when you hear unexpected content, it really kill
differently, no matter what. Imagine you with like 2 kids, like fully in like your 40s. Like one same way. Guys, we'll get what we needed to get in the supermarket. Just a few more things, but really and truly, them do something. The produce in the supermarket never look good. Cause Sunday too, so everybody buy it out from yesterday. So we'll go to the market and see if we can get it, and then that's gonna be it for the room. I need to go my edit. And yeah, oh, by the way, I needed to tell you, I ended up getting the frozen strawberry acai refresher with lemonade and 2 pumps of raspberry. Perfect. I went to my regular location I'm used to, and it was perfect, you know. I'm on my way to the gym. I look man, with all of them wrap up them sit there and I bare mismatch I go on this. I don't care. I forget my the first set of, like, my scarf or something that I used to preserve my curls. I forgot that. Like, I took it out when I was getting ready to go to the airport, and like I guess I just put it down in my filming room. And whatever. So she give me one of your scarf or something. So no, I just mismatch. But anything to preserve the curls, because you guys know where I'm going, right? Yeah, I'm going to the gym. So yeah, I'm not timid to tell somebody here, but so I'm heading to the gym because guess what? I'm gonna go gym. I'm gonna go in the gym from my swim week. Yeah, I've been so busy. So, and you guys know, so going to the gym today, make up up little. When tomorrow come, I know that for sure. So, and tomorrow morning early, I have an appointment with Iadorn. Listen, from the first time we do the lamination for my brows, I was like, oh yes, oh my god, now I'm off to do this again. So I'm gonna do a lamination session, and she's gonna give me a little nice tinting on that. But I kind of think if I would just do a brow microblade touch up, but I'm not have to do one it because my brows are pretty bright still. Like, it's just the Iadorn is so good. Like, you just want to keep your brows on point. Once you're near, you just want to go visit her. You just want to get, you know, a nice little touch up. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that early tomorrow morning. I have a appointment with her, and also she's gonna do a touch up on my lips as well, because she said you can, you know, keep on touching it up. I do have a little bit left because I'm not gonna tell you now, guys. You guys know, like it is so hard to keep myself from, like, you know, nibbling on my lips. Like, I don't even understand what I mean, like doing this. You're not supposed to do that when you do it, because then that way kind of, when your lips dry and you do that now, it create that like little darkness and stuff when you bite on it. Like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. So I've been doing a little bit of that. I'm gonna tell her, but yeah, so same shade, we're not change it or anything, just to improve the consistency of the color. So yeah, so I'm gonna do another session of that with her. So just a whole, the same 3 things that I did last time, that I'm gonna do tomorrow morning early, bright and early. It's early appointment. One thing with Lisa, she gonna make me have to wake up early out of my bed, early. But yeah, so that light I can't change quick, you see. But yeah, that's the rundown. After I go gym, I go pick up Shami. She went on the road and stuff, so I'm gonna pick her up afterwards. Yeah, I pick her up. I don't really know what after that. I want to dye my ear properly. I make mommy dye my ear properly, so I go get some box dyes. The ones that I used to either Cream and Nature. Cream and Nature I do for sale last time, I'm never sure. But a subscriber reminded me a Cream and Nature. Cream and Nature, dark and lovely, can't go wrong. Them there now go nowhere. So easy to say. I'm not bad the next brand. Not bad the next brand again. I feel like some than dye the wig with my have. You know what I say that for do? That for do.
When I dey at Portmore and see me I sell fruits. Police shot me from Portmore and I get for give you. I one. And you love fruits.
Oh my god.
Uptown, miss. Me I buy one of them a Range Rover for my mother, you see.
Oh my god.
Miss, guess how me know you? You see that Range Rover, I love it.
Yeah.
I always watch it and say me I buy one for my mother. I'm looking see you buy one. Me I say wait, Jamaican.
Yeah.
I say but wait. Me say so hot. She could come from Jamaica. Love it so much. Miss, how much I want?
Just give me one.
Miss,
I don't know.
I keep it change.
Yeah.
Miss, your Bibles are miss.
No man, no. No, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Oh guys. No, me did have the light changing up. They say Jesus Christ, I'm not even talking to the music. No, honestly and truly, I'm not telling no lie, guys. I'm here the person say so me never see the face nor no. Cause usually we know if I did that car and they would pass, and that light they take long for change more time. Listen, he's like he's a subscriber. Big up yourself. I never even get him name. Like, somebody have to support him. He genuinely support me. He was saying some stuff coming never to get to turn on the camera same time. He was saying some stuff and I was like, this guy really watch my stuff. I'm like, aw. Pick up yourself. Anyone wants to yeah, Mr. Yeah, Mr.
used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving down tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, needs you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep. Off muscle memory, self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody God got me right, cause I don't really look like what I made it through. People from the past wonder how. Somebody tell the realest niggas they live inside you too.
Guys, finish my session. Of course, you know I'm gonna get the whole thing. I never get the whole thing on camera. I'm so pull my hair though, but yeah. Got fresh because I'm burning up. Listen, fan and blow how much fun they in at the gym, man. How much fun they in at the gym is something. And that not do a thing. Not doing a thing. But it was a great session. I'll never come up with some workouts. It was amazing. So now I'm gonna get my salad. I just come right back into my regular routine. I'll catch this round, so catch this. Yep. Yeah, so that might go get now, and then I'll go ahead for Shami, and then I'm gonna get some stuff at the store because I never get the dye yesterday. We went on the road yesterday, but I forget it. So I'm gonna go get the dye. I'm not dye my hair today. I'm probably dye it like probably on Wednesday ish. That's when I feel like I'm gonna take this wig off, put on my next week. Plus I feel like I want to dye my next week when I bring, so let me go zoo. Went to Starbucks. I got this. I just got caramel frap with an extra shot of espresso. So I don't know nothing too serious. I don't know nothing like different like that. It's just a regular. I felt for this today. I don't usually. This is not like my regular order. I don't know it's my regular order macchiato. But guess what? Yo. Oh, so what I realized is that, and you guys drag my memory. I remember some of you telling me that the yellow dragon fruit is a laxative. Cha, I did not take that seriously at all. I never did even remember about it when I eat it, and it was so delicious. Like, why? How can you not eat it off? And so I had it, and it's like, all right, I never react to it at all on that day. But I feel like having the macchiato. So when I had a macchiato, I did not specify that, you know, I wanted either almond milk or oat milk. So they gave me regular milk. Yeah, and that one, I'm like, oh my gosh. That's the reason. Oh my gosh, man, tell us guys, that belly yet they never normal. That belly yet they make me feel like me that go home, like we really did both go meet my maker, like type of thing. Like, child, never again. I was eating, not realizing that, girl. And then the thing is, I'm so used to going to Starbucks, and like it's either they'll ask you, so it kind of like nudge you, like, what you want, what kind of milk you want. And so I'm not remembering that this is a different place, and oh, you know, so the lady just went ahead and made it with the regular milk, and I'm like, oh, this is why it's so delicious too, because I do love my regular cow's milk, but you know, it's really not the best. So I'm really cut down on it and stop by it for a while now, because it's just really not, no. I said, my god, this tastes so good. That's what it was. That's what it was. Yeah, almost took your girl out. No, me not do that to myself again. And so much of you guys in the last one were like, yo, so it's a laxative. That not with the red one. And a lot of people is like, yo, the yellow one tastes is like perfect. Yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes better than the pink or red one. But there is the pink or the red one is if you don't want it too sweet. It's really not sweet. It's like a nice, like, it's not fresh, but it like have a hint of sweet. It's not very sweet though, but it's nice too. But the yellow one definitely more delicious in my opinion. But yeah, that's what happened in the last vlog. So I never again. Now I do that to myself. Guys, did I tell you? So I told you I was gonna get my salad. Nope. I go around there, walk up in the place. The line is the longest I've ever seen it. It was going through the gates. I was like, no. Like at the end of the day, I don't know some love to stay healthy and thing, but honestly, it's not like the most spectacular flavor. It is great with health benefits and stuff, but me now go stand up in the line here. No, and time it's so hot and a piece of rain fall after me reach home. No, I say no, a good thing. No, I never go do that to myself. I'm early, not super early. I'm like 10 minutes early. So my appointment, we about to get these brows super fleeky, super. Yes, I'm going inside now. Lego.
We're gonna laminate your brows first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to tint them.
Okay. And it's not the regular tinting you say. You said this tinting more advanced.
Right. It lasts 6 weeks on the hair and up to 2 weeks on the skin.
That's gonna be nice. Because the last time I do it, I was like, Jesus Christ, I don't want to sweat. I'm like, this is too neat. Like, I went somewhere to the nail tech and they were like, your brows are so. I'm like, yeah, where did it? I'm like, in Jamaica. In Jamaica. I'm gonna have super nice brows for more than just 7 days. You know, the last time I preserved it as long as I possibly could. I feel like I got a good 2 weeks of that super sleek look out of it, and I love that. And then we're going to touch up the lips. So I know, say me, I gotta have some big lips once I'm done. Oh my gosh. But it goes down after like 24. Well, it goes on gradually within the 24 hours, and then like completely after the 36 hours. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. So I managed to get a slot for my lashes. I'm gonna do that tomorrow evening. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. And then yeah, shouldn't know me it as in for my lips, so I guess you're going to save that for last. But yeah,
to laminate your eyebrows, it's kind of like a keratin perm.
Oh,
so you need to keep the eyebrows hair hydrated. So you're going to be using this nourishing oil.
Okay, so I just brush it like with a spoolie. Okay.
I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say, you bubble and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like the body died me.
That bros, me never know so bros could have been so much working out. Like when I grew up on me ear them say Oprah pay $50,000 for your eyebrows. I'm like, for what? And me just shave my eyebrow. What shit talk about $50,000? And then mama grew up and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, $50,000. Maybe that was for your transplant.
Right? Yeah, because that's 50,000 US. Like,
damn.
What? Guys, the brows are giving. You guys saw them. You saw them. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna be on my way now. When I reach my comeback, I never end up doing my lips.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Alright guys, it's morning time, it's a new day. Listen, yeah, I know I'm just the pop in and showing a little glimpse of me getting my lashes done. But yeah, I love them so much. You know, I'm gonna do my lashes. No, I'm gonna do my lashes, right? Like 2 months. Haven't done my lashes since Carnival. I really needed that break. I'm happy I took that break and I'll do it again. And it was so worth it coming here. Like I tell you, the same girl make do it like last time. Listen, she named Oshini. Listen, she is great. Her lashes, the retention that they have is the best. And you guys know I find some really good lash techs. But listen, and I feel like I always find really good lash techs, but like she may not know something about the retention, just immaculate. Like how your lashes gonna really just not budge for like a whole 3 weeks. Like I mean 1 and 2 would drop out, but it's really nothing crazy. Like it still looks so great. So I'm gonna watch this set because I'm excited. So I was supposed to remember mama telling me somebody to go back at Iron. So what happened is she did for have there's a product that she like forgot in another location. So you know, my time not gonna allow me for real like wait until she get a product. So when we come to Jamaica again before she can do it. But what happened is, and I understood the process more, like with the whole lip blushing thing, right? So remember I told you guys that she neutralized out my lip, like the shade of it and everything. So what that does is remove any darkness that I might have on my lips. And remember I'm telling you, located a bite. So in the middle here it does have some darkness, but nothing drastic, but you want to eliminate that. So we were going to do another session of neutralizing the shade. And then now the next time, after the next 60 days there, I will come back and deposit an actual color. But with the neutralizing, you still get like a nice little blush vibe. But that's how it actually works. And now I kind of feel like I understand it a little bit better. I understood it initially, but no shit, it's like I understand it more. I'm like, oh, okay, it makes a lot of sense. Because what happens is if you deposit the shade or any color at all that you want on, you know, lips that aren't neutralized, like if they're not like the color, the shade on it isn't like consistent, or if it's too dark, you get like a different color, you know. So you have to make sure you neutralize out everything properly before you move on to depositing actual shades. So I understand now, right? So that's how it work. So I said, oh, okay, cool. So that's what I would have went into the same thing that like you guys saw I did the last time. But next time I'm gonna come still. I don't know. It's really no biggie. So yeah, but I'm happy. I got my brows done, my lashes done. I feel really good. Feel really good about that. So I'm obviously heading to the gym. I actually just dropped off mommy at work. So yeah, cause I end up wake up early, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop off mommy at work and I'm gonna go to the gym. Today is glutes and abs and a little bit of upper body. We did a lot of quads on Monday. I never get forgot Tuesday. So yeah, and there. That's how my day is. A beautiful day. It's just really hot. I don't know this already. I'm not gonna lie, yesterday and the day before never as hot as the day before that. Like, and that's because we did get like a lot of rain, and I was so grateful. But yeah, this is me just checking in. I haven't done anything since I've been here. It's now Thursday, and I'm feeling good. Listen, this wasn't a trip to be like all over the place or about a party or about outside. Nah, it was really just like whosa, just kind of just come and chill with mommy and Shami kind of vibe. So that's what I've been doing. So of course it's coming on to the weekend, so we're gonna do stuff. So tomorrow Barbie premieres. And I mean, I was definitely one of the girlies that grew up on Barbie, like in terms of the toy and all that stuff. I might never have it all, but I definitely fantasize about having more. I had like one Barbie doll. One. Yeah, I know something. If you're new, hi, welcome. Yeah, grew up very humble. Had one Barbie doll, my cherish her. I got that doll as a gift. And listen, cherish her. But yeah, so I mean, I have the other dolls, you know, but they weren't Barbie. So yeah, I must see what the movie is giving. I saw the premiere a couple times, so I'm gonna go for watch other movies. So, and it's a big thing all over on social media everywhere about it. So I'm not looking forward to the crowd that's probably gonna be at the cinema tomorrow. But we're gonna go out and have, you know, like a bite and drinks, and then we'll go see Barbie, and then after that we'll probably just go to a lounge. Guys, hours later I'm still not take out the battery. Can't you believe that? Went to the gym, all of that. Here with me now. We went to buy the Barbie ticket. Flop. I remember saying the Writers Association they're on strike because them said they movie them not play them not get enough money for write these, you know, movies and stuff. And I'm like, why on the week of the premiere of Barbie?
Maybe that one there for me and Lux.
That boom up for tomorrow. After my day, I tell her, oh, we'll go watch Barbie tomorrow. I really wanted to watch it. I was really kind of excited for watching it. But I don't know. Pretty excited for watch it. So no, next week, that when I'm back at home. Yeah.
It was easy. I mean, did you really want to experience it, you know?
How chaotic it is.
Yeah. So you can't stop mouth off people.
Me not mouth you off.
You're boring. You're boring. You're boring.
Oh, you're boring, yeah. Like, you're boring. Anyway, what about little KFC, you know? I went to the market just now too because I say, you know what? Let me just go buy my breadfruit aki where I can bring home from now. Cause yeah. And some Scotch bonnet. The pepper them are foreign though taste like the ones out here. Like just have a different kind of heat to it. It's just hot.
Why not buy the Carolina Reaper? Since you want.
Show me no. It's not that. It's the flavor of the skin of a Scotch bonnet pepper as well.
You want the fruitiness.
I really wanted to go watch a movie. Oh my god.
Intellectual evil edition. Kakam fire full of like Remington. Fully charged up. He got fi the young fi me young push up the table. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy.
So this is a coconut, right? So it has it's 2 layers. So there's a filling in the middle.
Your presentation.
With coconut flakes and almonds. You know, toasted coconut flakes and almonds. Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
And cream cheese frosting, don't forget that.
So what's the flavor? Coconut.
Yes,
Ooh,
coconut.
that's gonna be so good. That's gonna be so good.
So,
okay.
let me know, guys.
Yeah. So one for me, one for Shami.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so this is your standard size? No,
for the coconut.
For the coconut. Listen, Robin just left, but hey, she got this little cute size, the coconut cake. Oh, I'm so excited. So she posted this one time on her pastry IG page. Listen, I was like, at least me make sure I link her from before I come and be like, I want one of that. We're gonna taste this and see what it's giving. I'll get ready. Oh, by the way, so when last time I talked to them, I don't know, but I changed my hair. I'm so happy. So yeah, I re-dyed the wig. This is the same wig I had the other day when I went to Juvia's Play Studios, and I just made it darker. That was it. Because remember, I the same way we did dye one day and dyed the sip off. So That it's really nice and sleek. I straighten it, but I'm just re-straighten it again. I'm ready for go. We're just gonna go out to eat. We're just gonna go Oceano. You know, we're not too stressy. This week has been so chill. Literally, I just post something on my story today, my IG story. Today's Friday. I've been here all week. I'm not posting nothing. Even when I go to gym, I've just been kind of like laid back, taking a break kind of vibe, at home kind of vibe. Just and we been watching over Insecure, which is like, you know, when you watch something one time and you miss the details and you go back and watch it again, you be like, oh, okay, that's the kind of vibe. So just my vibing. Anyways, let's taste the cake. Let's taste the cake.
6:30.
About 8 o'clock reservation. So I do my makeup, so that's why I show me a sound note. Ooh, this looks so yummy. Show me taste it. Come to her. She don't wanna taste it. She have one fresh left. She'll do her makeup. This is so good. It's a cake. It's sweet, but it's like really nice. Like the texture tastes really good. So she did say, like, you know, whenever you refrigerate it and you're ready to eat it again, you can just let it stay out for a little bit, just so that it kind of get back to room temperature. Not all the way, but you know, like when something in the fridge and it get kind of like it changes the texture a little bit. I'm gonna shut up because I've had like coconut cake already and it give that, but I personally love coconut, so this is really nice. It's so delicious. You know, I love butter cake. Them, it just kind of tastes like a meal. So bad. Like, if you don't know what I do, you eat all this cake and then you're left with all this weight. But it's really delicious. It's really good. Robin and Duarte thing. Yeah, I'm gonna put the page on the screen. So if you want cake, this is where you DM, not me. DM this page if you want cake. Okay. Alright, I'm not eat no more. Cause you know, I got this cake. I'm gonna say, may I bring it back home with me? Look at me, eat up about quarter of the cake already. Anyway. I'm gonna do my man's makeup. I'm gonna get fresh. By the time me don't get ready, I know it's time for we head out. So I just ocean and where I go still, as I say, and then after that, me show me we just like get drinks. So pretty much getting ready, as you guys can see. Almost finished. Need to be finished. Cause we need to head out like now. Cause up at ocean and them once a 15-minute gone, them definitely I give away. None of them still are strict still, but no, not see my strict in here earlier on, but just I don't know if it's still not serious. Yeah, but me just checking back with you know. You know? Yeah. This hair, guys. This is the same wig I showed you guys some time ago in a, I don't know if you remember. Was it? It was in that vlog where I went to re-watch Little Mermaid. It's one of those. It's that glueless wig. That very same glueless wig. Immaculate, man. And I just keep on wearing it because it's so convenient. I glue it on today though. Glue it on, but it's so nice. Anyway, may I rush, guys? I'm literally rushing. I'm gonna give you guys a listen. We literally vex, so vex. I'm still wear a Barbie outfit in a. This me gonna wear the premiere still. You guys know I'm not into the pink big business. You know. I know I'm not a pink girly. I'm not. Shami is the pink girly. She loves pink. So she has her. Should I put it behind my ear? I love wear my hair behind my ears, and I feel like I'm gonna keep this one piece behind my ear, and I use my natural hair to make the sideburn hair. Anyway, I'm gonna talk. I'm off time for talk. True. Listen. Oh my gosh. So never get to tell you about like, yo, I've been literally using the Sweet July skin stuff all week, right? From the time I get them, from the day I get them, I start use them. Same products from the previous one, get that. Let me tell you, I had some texture on the right side of my cheek over here, so yo, the thing is working on those. It's been doing my skin so good, like so good. You know, like, the texture not all the way gone, but it's definitely improved drastically since. And this is not sponsored, no, it's not sponsored. I just give you a little update. It's not sponsored. Yeah, I don't know what it is about jet black, but I just love jet black. Once the ear jet black, I mean that. Honestly, from me I go high school, especially when I get a fresh relaxer.
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of them twists, different Ferrari. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move you away from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you.
Random moment. What's the highest grossing movie of all time? Highest gross Avatar? You got it right! It's Avatar! I never thought it was Avatar. Yeah, I heard it on the radio. I was like, better them not gonna know this. Because everybody thought it was like Titanic or Wakanda because they released this year. Avatar? Of all time. That's crazy. Avatar is immaculately done. Immaculately done. Yeah, man, Avatar. This, you love it over Wakanda? Yeah. Wakanda is really nice too. But I don't know how much Wakanda come, but like
It's Ariel for me.
what?
It's really Ariel for me.
You put a girl in our Barbie fit. I said, oh bad, Barbie is not this bad.
It's really Ariel for me. In the Avatar. Because I don't like the fact.
You're just being biased. Ain't no way.
I ain't like the fact that Avatar.
No, Little Mermaid.
Avatar first.
Yeah. Oh, because.
But just that's the ocean period Little Mermaid over Avatar. Come on now. So what about foolishness? We still have to go so much more.
Hey.
Suppose me not listen to the rest of
Don't say that though, but like, they got like what, 4 more lined up to come? Yeah, 3 more lined up to come.
2030 something?
Yeah, 2030, the last one I go. Guys, shall me change?
Change. Now the belly did a cut, as in, it's 30 that squeeze me.
She had too much of those rolls, and her belly almost, they're really full. But the rolls was good as usual. We knew this. That's why we went to get them. So yeah, no, we just made a stop back at home. Mommy gone back home, and we're literally this foggy. I read the lighting. I think it's the lighting. Yeah, we're just going to go to a lounge real quick and just chill out for a little while and then come back home. That's it. That's gonna be it for the night. We're not doing too much. But yeah, that's how our Friday night is going so far. So I just check in. I don't know.
you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
Listen, guys, we just got home. It's like after 4. It was a nice vibe. We did a little, when I say club hopping, I'd say more lounge club hopping. So we went to 421st and then we went to Mecca. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, the vibe ended up being good. We just decided to just not stay at one place. It was a vibe. People were out, the vibes was there, it was right, you know. Tomorrow we'll go with Cons. I'm gonna check out this spot. It started out as like a secret spot, but I don't think it's that much. Like, it's not secret anymore for sure. But we're gonna check that spot out, and I'm gonna check out this restaurant. Anyways, listen, just go and watch it. So we having papaya and mango. Start off the day. It's almost afternoon, but yeah, them papaya sweet. And then I eat some mango. Yeah, the top black, but maybe I have bought a bag of them yesterday. Yeah, and then for lunch yesterday, make sure I'm gonna get box food. Oh my god. Man, you see over some then kill we with curry goat and oxtail. I don't know, selective places do like proper fried chicken. And me as a person, I not even eat fry that much. But when you see someone want fried chicken, like, ooh. But yeah, so I get kind of tired of the oxtail and the curry goat over some. But the curry goat out here tastes different. The oxtail, I can't lie though, I feel like enough of them over so put more effort into seasoning it properly. Only thing like it would have want cooked out. Come on, you understand? So yeah, I kind of truly get tired of oxtail at the Jamaican spots. But yeah, so we're gonna get box food when we finish. Like, of course, what we're done in a second. I might do some laundry. So yeah, mommy gone out. I wish we didn't gone. Ochi? I think she and her sister and her nephew and her nephews and niece. You know, she gonna have a time. Nice little summer day out. So yeah. We'll go Archetype. I never check out her surname. Let's see what it's good. I heard a lot of mixed reviews about it, but I'm gonna see for myself. And Republic, a lot of mixed reviews, but I'm gonna see for myself. Went and picked up the food. Smells good, looks good, and it's super hot. Like, them just shared this out of the pot.
Damn, yum, my purple.
Right? I'm gonna tear this up right now. Yeah. Guys, my comments are saying I'm gonna take a little nap, you know. A while ago, I was literally just watching TV, and I hope the breeze now, but I don't know. I got this. I was finished the laundry, but I'm gonna take out the clothes in it. That's how the door open because the clothes were in the dryer. Anyways, yeah, it's been an hour since we had that box food. Listen, I'm full same way. I feel so fulfilled. The only thing I did want to try out some pasta from this place that I saw, but I don't think time I gonna really allow me to do that. As I say, a couple hours from now, I'm gonna get fresh and strong and take my time. Last night I feel like I rushed my makeup a little bit. I actually did. I can't even lie. I do my makeup in like 15 minutes, but I never did look bad still, you know. But last night was really nice. It was crazy because, as I said, we kept on. It was nice. So right now I'm still must set my phone for 125 minutes. I'm gonna take a little post snap. And then I'm actually going to continue editing this vlog because I already started, you know. I already started the vlog from when. So I just want to continue. We've just been chilling. It's really yesterday since we start going anywhere at all. I never care for going away. I really didn't. Because guess what? Summer not done yet. But now stay tuned to see all that's coming up. I'm excited to see. Anyway, alright, so got ready. I'm never get for showing my outfit of the night. When we reach restaurant. But we're gonna check out Architect. It's a Thai restaurant based on the name as you can hear. So yeah, show me over there. So now we're just waiting on Con. She's still getting ready. I feel like this one wipe off. Yeah, much better. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't have one so foggy. Gosh, just did one wipe off. Anyway, yeah, we're up on her. So we have an 8 o'clock reservation. We are on time. Good night.
Good night.
Watch here. Watch dress up.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you.
Yeah, but no.
Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas.
It can't go on our taste nice. A paprika?
Yeah, probably cayenne, but not. Here. Get it in a pineapple. Instead them out of pineapple. Them just threw my fried rice in my plate so because Shami get here. It's the same thing we're getting about. Them say pineapple done. So I have to just hold the plate. Can't wait for her food. Wow. It was definitely a safe choice. Because I know like the first one how they tell me they don't want to really experiment. I get a 9. And I get the really spicy one. Yeah? 8.7. Extra spicy. Yeah, my one really spicy too. That's really good, guys. Your one, man. Medium. Okay. So we gonna
Do shit, then ass and you can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah.
I bring my camera in because everywhere them have problem with the camera. And once I see the camera, them go crazy. Them like, oh, you can't have a camera, da 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 da. So I just use my phone. There's no way out of it. So
Me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Started drinking way more than I used to. People form habits like that, girl. Yeah. Man enough to tell you I was hurt that year. I'm not even Christian. I still went to church that year. Guess I just had to pretend that year. I ain't even see my friends that year. That shit been. You ain't ready for way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you stuck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you stuck right now. Yeah. Thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now?
guys, so we are with Chispa. Okay, no, we're gonna check in now. I'm early. I'm pretty early, so I have time for like we'll have time for like more have time for not necessarily have to go around at the gate yet. So yeah, I'm gonna park the car. But I've about an hour, like almost 2 hours. Yeah, for just time for just kill, so we just chill out. Yeah, so we just check in. Shout out to everybody at check-in. Like everybody at check-in was a divinity today. Usually I do so much of you guys out there. So anyway, so I'm gonna pack up my KFC now. In a chicken. Pack it up in a chicken.
So you know you turn on the
I don't want none of the chicken. Guys, I only really eat KFC wings. I don't really eat the chicken.
so take some of this then.
You just take one there first.
Relax.
Show me wrong back so. Guys, we eat some of the rice from last night we ordered from a restaurant. It was so bad. I just wish people never did make it seem like it was a luxury restaurant. It's not a dinner spot. You know? I definitely see it like a nice lunch spot, like takeout kind of vibe, but not dress up vibe at all. At all. And then if the AC off, you know, we are up in the restaurant. We are using menu of fun. We ask what to the AC, they say it's a leak. Myself, this is a 5-star restaurant. Yeah.
It's leaking and nobody
Listen, come in never really gonna to a restaurant yet we're really still luxurious. Most of them are always just regular, very basic. The next thing would have be beach, but we'll get our fair share of that for somewhere. It's so hot. Sun hot, man. You think about go? I bet you go river, you know. For true, I bet you go river. You know this has sun at here. You go beach, it a burn you out, sunburn for long. I mean, you have on the sunscreen. So.
You see down a dolphin cove, the water cool.
Oh, that is nice. Mama got dolphin cove.
Them have one part where the water run through the pipe.
Yeah.
The pipe, the plastic part. And now the part where you turn on and just a run from.
Oh.
It was very nice.
Guys, you know what my biggest thing? My vex Barbie never premiered down here so same time as everywhere else. Or the US rather. So everybody on social media just up come out for Barbie premiere. But yeah. So show me them I watch it on Wednesday. I watch it one of them day. I'm gonna go back up. So yeah, anyway, tell them later, mommy.
Bye.